Explore and Restore was a fabulous experience. We got to do yoga, yin yoga, vinyasa yoga, a lot of self-exploration, journaling, downtime, fabulous food, healthy food. It was an amazing experience.
My experience with Explore and Restore has been a real eye-opener and a real heart-opener. I've enjoyed pretty much every single moment that I've been here.
This trip was totally amazing. As I mentioned probably many times, it refreshed me, it gave me that spiritual growth. It's giving me something I haven't had it before.
It's been a blessing to be able to practice and just even explore the treasures of Santorini with like-minded people.
With every session, whether it's a yoga session, workshop, my heart opens up a little bit more, it heals a little bit more, and this is a great place to get more tools to help my journey.
It's been a whirlwind of yoga, friendships, good times, beauty everywhere at every corner, and just really a great experience overall. The words can't not describe it actually.
Ash and Tiff just both have such beautiful, beautiful hearts.
They're awesome. Ashleigh's she teaches at the studio I go to, and when she posted out, when she had her pamphlet out for Greece, and I said, Donna, we're going. I kept it in my yoga mat for like the whole time, and I would always look at it. So, and this is the first time I've met Tiffany, and she's just as amazing. So they're a great couple.
Ashleigh and Tiffany are very connected spiritually, senior instructors. They know what they're doing, very professional, always there to answer any questions, and just great people.
Where to start about those two? They are soul sisters for sure. They are empathetic and loving and just overall healers, and it's I'm grateful to be able to know both of them and to be taught by both of them.
Two of my favorite teachers.